With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, it is given the assertion and region type question. So in the assertion, it is given that distance is actual length of the path, but displacement is the shortest distance between initial and the final position. Clear? And the region we can see distance is a scalar quantity and it is always positive, but displacement is a vector quantity. It may be positive, negative, or zero. Clear? So if you talk about assertion first, so we can see it is given that distance is the actual length of the path, but displacement is the shortest distance between initial and the final position. Yes, so this is what true. This is true. Why this is true? We can see. Let us consider this is what x-axis and this is what y-axis. Clear? Initially, let us consider particle is at this position and the finally particle is at this position. Clear? Now position vector of this r1 and the position vector of this is what r2. Clear? So this is what r1 we can consider position vector and the r2 is the position vector of the final position vector. Clear? This is the a and this is what b. Clear? Now particle start from here and reach to the position b. Let us consider path is what this. We can consider this is the path we can consider. Clear? So if you talk about the distance, so distance is what? Displacement is this. So displacement is this. And this displacement we can see this is the r2 and minus this r1. So this is the displacement, but distance is what? Actual path length. This is the displacement. This is the, sorry, this is what distance we can see. This is the distance, but displacement is what? This a straight distance between initial and final position. Clear? So this is what a straight distance we can see from here. So from here we can see that this assertion is what? Correct, because distance is what? Actual path length of the path, but displacement is what? Shortest distance between initial and final position. Yes, from here we can see this AB is the shortest distance. So this is what? Displacement we can see, but this actual path is the distance. So this is what? Correct we can see. So assertion is what? True. So if we talk about the region, we can see, so it is given that distance is the scalar quantity and it is always positive, and this displacement is a vector quantity and it may be positive, negative, and zero. Clear? So a scalar quantity and vector quantity. So we have a scalar and vector. So a scalar quantity magnitude only. Magnitude only. Clear? But in the vector quantity, magnitude. So we can write here this is what? Magnitude. Clear? And plus direction. Plus direction. Clear? So distance has a only magnitude, but vector has magnitude and direction both. That's why we can see that distance is the scalar quantity and displacement is the vector quantity. Clear? And distance always positive, and this is what we can see. Distance is the always positive we can see, and displacement may be negative, positive, or zero. We can take one example for this. Let us consider this is the initially particle at this position and the finally particle is at the same position. From here, here, and here it is moving like this, and the finally particle is at this position. So in this case, distance and displacement, distance is what we can see. This is 3, this is 4, this is 3, and this is 4. So in this case we can write distance is equal to Distance is equal to, we can say in this case we can write this is equal to 6 plus 8, 14. But displacement is equal to what? Displacement is equal to 0. Clear? So in this way we can see that displacement may be 0. Clear? And it may be positive, it may be negative, because it has a direction. Clear? So we have to consider direction in case of the displacement. So it may be positive, negative and 0. Clear? But distance is a scalar quantity, only magnitude we have to take. So that's why this is what? Positive. Clear? So we can say this region is also correct and also true, we can say. Clear? But region is not correct explanation of assertion. That's why B is the right option for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.